Lesson 3, fretting, fingering, hand-thumb positions. The importance of the position of the fretting hand-thumb is often overlooked when starting out on the guitar. This does not seem problematic at first. However, this can come back to haunt us when we begin to learn more difficult chords and more complex music. Therefore, I want you and I to take more time to understand the impact of the 3 most common thumb positions have on our playing, and why I favour one position in particular. Grabber. In this position, the thumb loops over the top of the neck, and it originates from grabbing the guitar and holding it by the neck. It feels extremely natural and comfortable. Thumbs up. In this position, the thumb sticks up and protrudes above the neck of the guitar. It can also feel quite natural. Unseen. In this position, the thumb is behind the neck and is virtually invisible when viewed from the audience's perspective. Out of the 3 positions, this is the position that feels most unnatural. Let us explore the pros and cons of each thumb position in more detail using the table below. Grabber. Comfort is high. Stretch, worst. Overall, good, especially when bending strings. Thumbs up. Comfort, medium. Stretch, better. Overall, bad. Offers the least amount of versatility. Unseen. Comfort, medium to low. Stretch, best. Overall, best, except when bending strings. Playing the guitar can be quite an uncomfortable experience due to the strings and neck causing fingertip, hand, and wrist pain. We often tend to seek the path of least resistance, which is why most guitarists love looping their thumb over the top of the neck. However, we can develop better technique from the beginning by trying to use the unseen position whenever possible. I want to let you know that I have a great course for beginner players that are struggling with things like sore fingers, changing chords, lack of motivation, theory and music reading challenges, counting and staying in time with music, and much, much more. I've been through all that myself, and so have many of the thousands of students that I have taught personally in groups and online over the past 30 years as a teacher and performer. 30 years. Whew. I know what it's like to have sore fingers, miss notes, play a chord and wonder why it sounds as if your guitar is broken. The Essentials Primer for Beginners addresses all of those things and provides solid advice gathered from my years of playing, teaching, and sharing stages with many incredible musicians in New Zealand and around the world. With more than 180 professionally recorded video lessons, a course eBook, quizzes, and checklists to assess and challenge your progress, this course can get you serious results and transform the way you play and approach learning guitar and music. As you travel through the course, your character will level up from snivelling beginner underling to a shining golden exemplar that wields control over the basic fundamentals of guitar wizardry with impunity. Click the link here or in the description to access all of the first module's incredible lessons, quizzes, checklist, and coursebook absolutely free.